Hey everyone, this is Ian Hari. So I'm in Uptown today to film. I haven't done the Lynx light rail in so long, but this is my first 2024 video of the Lynx light rail in Charlotte. So over here we're gonna get a quick mention about crossing. You can see a train is coming.
Always stand behind the white textured line strips.
Manténgase siempre conectada en Siemens.
We're just gonna get a quick look. We're gonna go to this. Is a perfect place for me to film. Over there. So that is a new bell they just got. It's a General Seal Type 3. And we're at 7th Street Station. So, and this is 7th Street Station. And I'm gonna get a really good grip of the train right here. Well, we can't go right there. There's a gated area, but we're not supposed to because it's a dangerous area to do. I'm filming right now. Oh, I didn't get it. There it is. That horn was a little loud when I hit it for it. Watch the gates go up. Well, I'm gonna watch this train depart. The driver gave me a horn show too. There it goes.
Lynx fare inspectors will check for passes once you are on the train. Please have your pass ready.
There's not another one coming yet. Another one will be here soon, okay? There should be another one coming soon, okay? Alright, I'll be right back after this. I'm just gonna take a quick break. Another one should be here soon. There goes that one. I'm just gonna zoom in a little. There it goes to I-485. That was a Siemens S70 Series 1 part. They have been recently getting service maintenance issues, but they've been having. But the horn on that last vehicle was wet. You know what I mean? So I'll be right back and see you later. Bye.